You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. Let's see how to pronounce the name of this currency, this word in Spanish. It's pronounced euro in English. If you want to learn more Spanish vocabulary, more currencies, stay tuned. Euro is the Spanish pronunciation, how it's pronounced in Spain and other Spanish-speaking countries. Euro. So it's EU. So it's the two letters EU, euro, and then ro, euro. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, euro. Euro is how it's pronounced, the Spanish pronunciation, how to pronounce in Spanish, euro. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.